Hey guys, looking at 2018 Toyota Tundra. V8 powertrain, 5.7 liter V8 to be exact. Chrome grille up front, rolling some nice rims. This is the SR5 Crew Max. Here is the spec sheet for all of you interested. You have your TRD 4x4 off-road decal on the trunk or on the bed. And don't forget, it is truck month down here at Toyota Greensburg, where you save $500 on all new trucks. With this Tundra, you have the tow package, backup camera, standard on this one, with rear parking sensors. So come on down to Toyota Greensburg today and take a test drive. See you soon. Bye.